What's up, everybody? So this is my first YouTube video that I have recorded in 6 years. So I'm doing this look today. It is a very colorful liner eye. So we're going to have some ombre liner down here. Up here at the top, down here at the bottom. We're going to get all into it. All of the information and products used in this video will be listed down below in the description box. So if you have any questions of the products that I used in the video, you can go ahead and just go ahead and look. Take a look, see. So stay tuned. I hope you like this. This is a talk through video, but I did speak through some parts. So I hope you guys like it, enjoy, and let me know what you think at the end. So to start this makeup tutorial off, I've already cleansed and washed my face. Now I'm going to get into the brows. I like to do my brows first because I feel like, it sets the tone for the rest of the face. I like to use brow powder, so I went ahead and I just used this brown color from this Wet n Wild, using a Tarte angle brush to achieve my brow look. I just brush my brows all in one direction, and then I just start to fill in. So now that I got my brows kind of how I want them, I'm going to perfect them by going around them with some concealer. For underneath my brows, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal True Match crayon concealer, and I'm going to put that underneath with this, just a flat brush. So now I'm just going to blend this out with a blender brush by Real Techniques. And I just blend it into my lid, out on the side of my face. Just bring it down until it's all the way blended into your skin, because you don't want to be just walking around with just some light concealer just boom underneath your eye. Like, blend that out. Now for the top of my brows, to line those up, I'm going to be using this Conceal and Define concealer by Revolution. It's closer to my skin tone, so I like to do one just closer to my skin tone at the top, because I hate when it be like too light right here. It's not a good look to me personally, but to each their own. I'm going to go with this one. So I'm just going to go on top of them with the same concealer brush and just kind of just line them a little bit. And then I just go ahead and blend it out with the same Real Techniques buffer blending brush. All right, y'all, so we got these brows on fleek. Do people say that anymore? Y'all know I'm old. I don't be caring. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and prepare for this eyeshadow look. This eyeshadow look has to stand out. In order for that to happen, you got to use you a good base. You know what I'm saying? So I like this one by Makeup Revolution. It is the Fast Base Concealer. I'm not one to go with a white base. That's just not me. But if that's what you want to do, go right ahead. Knock yourself out. I'm going to go with this one. It's just a couple shades lighter than my skin tone. So this part ain't even real special. You just literally like make some dots here. Make some dots here. And then I'm just going to blend it all in. Once you get it blended out like that, then we can go on to the next step. So you see my eyes are very prepared for eyeshadow right now. So we are doing a cut crease today. Well, a half cut crease. We're not doing the winged out one. We're just doing the one that stops right here. First things first, I'm going to take this vibrant pink color from the Beauty 331 Rebel eyeshadow palette. And this one is called Risky. And I'm going to put that in my crease to start to build that cut crease color. I'm going to be using just a small shader eyeshadow brush. I don't like to use a blending brush for this because I'm really not trying to blend the color into my crease. I'm trying to pack it into my crease so it shows as vibrant as it is in the shadow pan. These lights are so bright, my eyes is just a little, like, I can't fucking see. Excuse my language. But this is the brush. Packed it on some eyeshadow. And now I'm just going to go into the crease. And I'm just going to press it just like this. Like on your crease bone. But I'm just trying to teach you guys the technique. And this is what the technique is. It's just laying that color into that crease like that. And then you will blend it out as you go. Alright, so I got the color on there. So bright, I know. But this isn't the end. So don't judge it right now because y'all don't even know where I'm going with this. So to blend out this pink shade, I'm going to go back and forth with this salmon color, orangey color right here. And I'm going to go back and forth with the pink to get it to where I want it to be blended out and blown out. So I'll just pick it up with the same blender brush that I used. I'm just softly going back and forth, back and forth. And you see how it's just blending out. And then I'm just going to go back in with the pink to intensify it. So you got to kind of do that back and forth until you get, you know, the color payoff that you want. I want mine to be bright, so I'm going to keep going back and forth to blend out them colors till I get it right. So now I have the eye blended out the way I want it. I'm going to go in with that same Wet n Wild palette that I used to fill in my brows with that brown. And I'm just going to take this light color from the palette and just put that underneath my brow bone. And that's just going to be just one little easy little sweep. So now I'm about to cut the crease with this Fast Base Concealer, the one that I used to set the makeup. And I'm going to just use a 247 brush by MAC. So this part right here is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking the concealer, a nice amount, not too much, not a little bit, and just carving out my crease to create the shape that I'm looking for. Alright, so now I got the crease cut, and I'm just going to take some more of that pink, kind of put that on the outside of the eye to kind of help blend these colors together. Now I'm going to take this white eyeshadow right here, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Now that I have the white how I want it and stuff like that, I'm going to go in with these three lips colors. I'm going to go in with the yellow first, then the orange, then the pink to do a ombre liner outward. Not winged out, just out. All right, y'all. So for this part, I'm just going in with a 210 MAC brush with the yellow, and I'm just lining the inner 1/3 of my lid with that first. So this is the part where you want to blend both of the colors together. So right now I'm blending together the orange and the yellow, just back and forth until I get it to a seamless blend. Now I'm going in with that hot pink, and this part was kind of easy to blend in with the orange, so I didn't have to go back as many times. I ain't gonna lie, I had to really concentrate on that part. And now for the bottom, I'm going to take this color. I want to take this color at the bottom, this color, and this color. So I have finished my eyes, and I'm going to add mascara and lashes, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the face. So I'm going to be placing these lashes on my eyes with some Duo lash adhesive. Okay, lashes on. So now eyeliner, mascara for the bottom, and then eyes are finished. Actually, I am going to do one more thing to the eyes. I'm going to add a line of silver glitter here in the crease. Here's the eyes, what we think, you know. Real colorful, real bright, real festive. Y'all know I like doing them kind of looks, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like, you know, trying to pop out for the summertime. I like to pop, you feel me? You feel me? I like to pop, period. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal True Match Concealer, the one I use to shape my brows, and I'm just going to highlight my face with this. I'm taking my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to blend this concealer out. You know, blend, blend, blend till you get it to how you like it. And underneath the eye, I just swipe it upward. That's why I like the Real Technique sponge, because it has that point, so you can just swipe. You don't got to work too hard to, you know, blend this into the skin. It just come together so effortless with the sponges. So I have my face all highlighted and all the concealer blended in. Now I'm going to take this compact foundation from Ulta Beauty, and it's in deep cool. And I'm going to use this to contour my face. So I'm just using a Real Techniques foundation brush, pointed foundation brush, and I'm going to go on the sides of my nose here, just like that. And then I'm going to go on the side of my face, right here, on the temples. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm sorry if y'all keep hearing me sniffling. I got allergies real bad. I don't know what's going on. I have never had allergies in the month of April, so I don't know what's going on. So now I'm just going to take that same Real Techniques brush and just blend all those colors together. So now I'm about to go in with bengal chestnut setting powder, and I'm just going to set this all over my face. So now I'm going to apply that with this powder brush I got from BH Cosmetics a while back. Don't know what it's called. Came out of a gift set years ago. Now I'm about to take this highlight contour palette by Morphe brushes, and I'm going to take these two shades here to lighten underneath my eyes. And I'm just using a Real Techniques powder brush. It say contour brush, but I like to use it as powder. This is just kind of brightens up the under eye a little bit. I don't like looking too crazy underneath my eyes, because at the end of the day, I am, you know, a little bit of a chocolate woman. And I ain't trying to be looking like I am myself. You feel me? Now I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Mirage. And I'm going to use that to highlight this skin, baby. You feel me? So I'm just going to take a highlighting brush from Real Techniques. Pop that right there on that. Baby, y'all better stop playing with me this summer. Because, baby, I'm about to be shining, 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 yeah. I'm not here to play no games. Like, it's 2019. Get with it with the highlight. You feel me? get over here on your glowing skin. So yeah, basically now, you know, just gonna blend, hit them spots that ain't blended. So now I'm gonna take some Fix Plus and spray my face real quick. Finish it off. All right, y'all. So we're gonna finish this look off with some lip whatever. I'm gonna line my lips with this dark brown lip pencil by Nabi. Some stuff I picked up off at the hair store. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Again, I am sorry after sniffling. I'll be putting on this lip color by NYX. It's called 552 Creamy Beige. And I'm just putting that right here. It's just like a nude. I ain't gonna go OD on the lips because, I mean, I went OD on the eyes. And I'm gonna have to hit that one more time with the brown liner. And then I'm gonna go in with this So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss by Color Pop. And it's called Intersection. And it's just gonna give me that little finishing touch, baby, that I need. Come on. Just like that, you know? Nothing too crazy on the lips. Never go too crazy on the lips, ladies. Like, baby, the lips don't need much. It's a pop. Period. I'm looking at my mirror. I'm sorry. Y'all, because on my mama, on my hood, I look fly. I look good. It's my swag. Wish you could. I look fly. I look good. I look good. I would get up and twerk, but this ain't about that. So what y'all think about this look? What? Who? Me? Listen, you gonna have to calm down. So I hope you guys like this look, you know. So whatever y'all want to see, make sure y'all let me know on Instagram. Y'all can let me know, tell me which videos y'all want to see on my YouTube. Y'all can let me know in the comments down below what y'all want to see for me on YouTube. Any suggestions y'all have, throw it my way. You know, I also am going to expand the channel. First, I'm going to start with makeup, and then we'll get into other things. Just let me know what y'all think. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Do all of those things for your girl. I appreciate y'all clicking on this video. I appreciate y'all coming to YouTube and watching me do my makeup. Like, that's nuts. So, thank you for doing that because that means a lot to me because I put my everything into this. So, I just pray that you guys just be with me on my journey. See my growth. Let's get it. Thank y'all for watching. Continue to watch me. Continue to send me y'all's blessings and y'all's positivity. And I love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.